Hello, Khashoggi. I wanted to show you your next Zulu version 2.0 card running. And so on this one, I've got, let's see, I've got the 6 partitions. So there's lots of extra software. And then I'm going to send you the card with the with this one that only has 2 2-gig partitions. And so you'll have essentially a backup. And I can teach you how to make backups of the partitions if you'd like as well. And so while that continues to boot, I've got your motherboard. I let it run. And we've got that new old stock Cube cable. I got an original Next box to ship it in. And then I've also got the custom Y cable where I've already modified it so it should work for you. And so I just kind of wanted to put this video out. I know you were asking about your order. So everything is good to go. Let's make sure it looks like reboot's complete. And I let your motherboard run for a couple hours with a new RAM. And I figured out that the problem was one bad stick of RAM initially. So I was able to figure that out this morning. And we've got the Arctic front moving in. I'm just going to keep talking here while this thing loads up. Spinning beach ball's good. And then we'll log in. And with any luck, everything's going to come up just fine. It should. It's a fresh install. Yep, we got the mouse, and there is our dock. We should have the window viewer here in just a second. And then it would load all the apps. So I'm going to call this one good. Looks like it loaded Mathematica. I've got Soft PC on here, which lets you run Windows apps. Executor lets you run old Mac apps. I've got, you can boot it up as a Mac if you want with Daydream, and then you see all these different drive partitions. Below them is the local apps for each of those, and below that are images that are within that drive. So I've got all the Peanut CDs, and then the Fatted Calf CD. So there's literally probably several thousand apps in there for your entertainment. So really appreciate your business and patience. And thank you so much for giving us guidance on how to repair those old Next optical drives. Much appreciated. Glad you're back in the loop. And I look forward to hearing from you once you've got it installed as to how everything works for you. You have a great day now. Bye-bye.